Different dua qunuts are written in different books. So which of these dua qunut is best to recite in witr? Like Allahumma inna nasta'inuka, this is one dua qunut. Another is Allahumma hdina fiman hadait, and some other dua qunuts are written in the books. So my brothers and sisters, these are two dua qunuts. You can watch, you can see on your screen. Both are correct, no problem. You can recite Allahumma inna nasta'inuka, no problem, it is correct. You can recite Allahumma hdina fiman hadait, no problem, both are correct. But it is highly recommended, Allahumma inna nasta'inuka wa nastaghfiruka, it is highly recommended to recite in witr. Okay, so both are correct, no problem. All dua qunuts, those are written in different books, all correct, no problem. But Allahumma inna nasta'inuka wa nastaghfiruka is highly recommended to recite in witr as dua qunut.